that nut off right there. Then you gotta take that little screw off of there. Tabs. Full size. And then take these screws off. This one only has one on each side. And now it's all loose there. Then there's a bolt right here. Pull that out. And then pull this out. Now it's ready to go. It'll all slide forward right out of the machine. Untangle the cord, and there it is. Most cases that I come across, the cooling fan, which is located right back here, is what goes out on these, and this one here is stuck. It won't turn freely. So this one I'm just going to put a fan on and put it back together. You got to swap the parts around. You got to put the fan blade on the new one, and then this bracket, and just line everything up. All right. That one's all ready to go. Alright, new fan is in. Shroud's on. Oh, just testing it out. Clean that thing out.